Hi everybody, it's Cop Kitty. I have a huge favor to ask you today. Today is my sister's birthday and I would really like you to do something for her actually. Please, whoever can, send me a quick message of happy birthday for her. And you can relate to her as Potato because it was her nickname when she was a child. So today we're having a birthday party in the evening, and this is her scrapbook. And her scrapbook, she's preparing it for the people who come over to sign. So just pretend that you'll sign this one and send her a message. Oh, she's 30 today. Thank you so much. Bye.